So there is
a service door.
this used to be a bedroom, a small bedroom in the basement, in the cellar, and we like to convert this place into a bathroom. So there's gonna be a bathtub over here, and here's the toilet. This is the old one. We're not gonna do much here, but we will just improve to save money.
I'll put tummy in.
Well, I've done a lot. So here's the here used to be a carpet. Now it's gone.
This can be this pipe going maybe that way here. See? Now it's steady and strong. I'll explain you. Come, take a picture of this. See this pot? I have this top a little bit. I put this pot under. It will be no contact with beton.
You're right.
Yeah.
Smart.
It will be like before because the old wood was perfectly good.
Smart.
So now I have this, and now I put pop on the top. So I have this lifting bit in back. When I put pop, I put fives like that. Put isolation, and later this wall, Maria. You see where you finish? I'll build wall here, so it will be 25 centimeters wall. This is isolation. So
It's
here,
gonna become thick.
big window will be look deep.
Så da ble det sånn. Så tok jeg en ny stakkeluke der, og så et lite... Det her skal jeg fikse på.
Thank you.